Today we are going to do some spring cleaning. I'm going to go through my closet. I want to get everyone's opinion. So I need to get rid of some stuff. I'm trying to figure out what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. I think the rule is if you haven't worn it in a year, get rid of it. But that's really hard for me to do because just because I haven't worn it doesn't mean I'm not going to wear it. Doesn't mean I don't really like it. So I've been trying to make myself wear the stuff that I really like, and not just keep it, just to be taking up space in my closet. Like if I don't have 20 blouses, I feel like, oh, something's going to happen. I'm going to need 20 blouses. And really, I'm not. Well, 20 isn't that many, but let's say 40. No, I don't have 40. I don't think I have 40. I mean, really, think about it. You guys, how many blouses do you have in your closet? Say for spring and summer, how many blouses do you have for spring and summer? And what number is enough? What number is not enough? I Offhand, I probably have like 10 black blouses. And when it gets to be hot, I don't even like to wear the black ones. But black goes with everything. So, and you can have so many cute little styles. Maybe I'll try my black blouses on. Well, I might as well not try them on because I'm not getting rid of any of them. No matter what you guys say, if you say, "Oh, get rid of that one," if I love it, I'm keeping it. So, um, I should really just try on the stuff that I'm unsure about. I need to do something. I want to be able to go into my closet and slide my tops around and be able to just put stuff in, take stuff out with it being space. Right now everything is so tight. I got to kind of push the stuff over to hang something else in. I don't want to have to keep doing that because then you really can't see what you have. So, all right, let's start the show. Okay, here's a dress. This is a Jennifer Lopez dress that I bought maybe 2, 3 years ago. Um, it's like dolman, big loose sleeves, very very short, but it's cute. I just have never put it on. Never felt comfortable wearing it. We go all the way back with the shoes. Back of it. Um, it's cute. It falls off the shoulders. I don't know. I like it. I think I need to just go ahead and wear it one day, but it's so short, and I don't go anywhere where I would wear something this short unless it's a date night. But if I'm going on a date night, I wouldn't wear this for a date night. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it too short? Is it too risque? Too something to? I mean, can I wear it to work? Yes, I could wear it to work. My work is very casual. I can wear jeans to work every day if I want to. I usually don't. I usually dress up, try to dress nice every day. I don't have to. But something short like this, it's, I could wear something like this because it's longer than fingertips. Even though it looks like it's short in the back, it's really not. It's just, I don't know. I need your help. I really have no idea about this dress. I've tried to get rid of it many, many times, but just never done it. I don't remember what I paid for it, but at this point, what I paid for it, I really don't care about because I've already paid for it. So when I have stuff in my closet, my motto is I've already wasted the money. Now I'm not going to waste the space. So sometimes you buy something, you spend your money on it, and you're like, okay, well, I paid for this. I don't want to give it away, or I want to wear it. I want to keep it until I wear it. you can't get your money back for what you already paid for it. So at least get rid of it and enjoy the space in your closet. Now, that being said, I don't know if I'm going to get rid of this one. It's really sexy. It, I don't know. I don't know. Here is a sweater dress. And as soon as I put this on, I loved it. It's been in my closet for about 2 or 3 years. It's for the winter, so it's too late for me to wear it now. It's got this big old turtleneck. And I am sorry that I didn't pull it out and try it on and wear it, because it's really cute. So this is going to be a keeper. Let me see, did I go back far enough? There it is. You can see over down with the shoes. I'll have something on, but I probably have tights on underneath this. But I really like it. You see from this angle. Darn, it's showing so much. You can only see my name. Do you see my? Is it see-through? No, it's not see-through. It's just shadowy. I really like this. I'm gonna have to get some type of something to do something. I'm really paranoid about showing stuff around here. I know most people, not a big deal. I just, yeah, I don't like to show this extra. Anyway, I like this one. I also, when I bought it in black as well. Have not worn either one of them. This has some sparkles in it. I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see that in the camera. Nope, you can't see the sparkles. Okay, next item. Alright, here's another dress. I'm going to show you real quick. Like, I have decided to keep this one, but I was just showing it to you. So this is more of a wintry dress. Long sleeves. I love the way this design comes. Where is it? Like cuts across right here. Like that. And then on this side, see how the different pattern comes down? So anyway, really like that about the dress. You also see the line down. Anyway, you can look at it. So I like this one. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to make myself wear it. I just have not worn it since I bought it. It has a tag of $55 on it, but if that's what it says on the tag, I know I didn't pay that because I never pay full price when I get them from department stores. It's always on sale for something. So I know I didn't pay $55 for it, but I really like this. It's an extra small. Probably could have gotten it in a bigger size. I don't even think I was an extra small when I bought this 2 or 3 years ago. So yeah, it could stand to be bigger size, but it's nice. I like it. So this one is a keeper. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this because I had to been the same height. This dress is way too short. It's just way too short for me now. And this is the belt that came with it. It's a sweater dress. Like this. So I like the blocked colors, the color block. But yeah, this dress is so short. I mean, unless I had some over the knee boots and some black tights. But this still have the tag on it. This I got from Charlotte Russe for $28.99. Yeah, and I've never worn a watch it, so it didn't shrink. I don't know what this is all about. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is one, maybe a different belt, maybe with the taller boots. Let me know what you think, please.
Did somebody do this to me?
Wait. Whew, that was close. I had the TV playing in the background and didn't want any issues, so I had to turn the TV off. Anyway, this color is like a green, and it's too tight, so I think I need to let it go. I bought this, I want to say probably 10 plus years ago, and it's been in my closet. I'm so embarrassed. Really, I'm not. But it's been in my closet because, hey, it is what it is. It's been in my closet for that long. It's a size 4. Um, little cute top belt. Here it is. I just, yeah, it doesn't look good on anymore. It's got too much going on. Let me focus. So, and the pockets are, I don't know. But it's cute. But I should get rid of it, right? I know you guys will be honest, so I think I've tried on 5 dresses, so I might end it with that. Or maybe I'll do another video with 5 different items, like 5 skirts or something. So, I don't know. Alright, thank you for watching, and as usual, just give me your honest opinions.